Hey guys, it's Steven, and I wanted to announce that I'm going to be releasing a new Udemy course here very soon. This course is about running simulations in Fusion 360, and I will be releasing it on Udemy very soon. I plan on submitting it for moderation about Sunday, so maybe it'll go live Monday, Tuesday. And so the course is going to be about running simulations in the Fusion 360 package with geometry that you've created in Fusion 360. And I have other various Fusion 360 courses for that. So simulations that we be running is something like is pretty much all of them. I will have lectures talking about all the different simulations and then also some of the physics behind the simulation so you can understand what is happening and then also be able to adjust your geometry to get better results. So we're talking static stress, thermal conduction, thermal stress, shape optimization, all kinds of other things. Go ahead, check it out. I'll post when it's